Okay, so this is a gorgeous little bucket bag. It's by Alexander Wang. It's a Diego and it's their size small in this awesome like tanny browny colour, like almost a rusty brown colour. So it's got this fantastic little top grab handle. It's also got a longer strap which is adjustable. I'm going to come back and show you the size. I'll talk you through the details in a minute, but I'll show you the size first. The exact measurements, as always, are on the website. This just helps you to see the size of the bag when it's on. So I'm about a UK size 8'10". I'm about 5'4". I'll put it crossbody so you can see the length. The straps at the minute are on the longest setting, so you could make it shorter than this if you wanted to. Comes with an Alexander Wang dust bag. Also has the product tag and the cute little envelope, and there's 2 care documents inside. So let's talk you through the features of the bag. So the main feature is that base and all of those incredible studs on the bottom. And the thing I like about this bag is the weight of these studs and the shape of the bag mean that when you put the bag on, it kind of sits nicely, it kind of hugs your body and it stays there. And as you walk, it stays sort of hugging your body. You know, sometimes when you walk and it kind of bangs as you take the steps, this just kind of stays there. So it's a real comfortable shoulder bag. On the front, with that handle, there's this pocket here, which goes right to the base of the bag. And on the back, there's another pocket, again, right to the base of the bag. Some really good sized pockets. Inside, the main part, it is lined in black, so you won't really be able to see, but it's got the tag there and 1 zipped pocket there as well. Condition is excellent. I don't think it's ever been used. So the exterior is in excellent condition. The interior is in excellent condition. And the hardware is in excellent condition. Even all of those studs are in perfect, excellent condition. Okay, so there is a link to this on our website. If you go to the comments below the video, hit the link, it'll take you to our website, and on there we've got our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, bag straps, all that kind of thing. When you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. It'll take you about 20 seconds to do, it's dead easy. If you scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a little box, put your email address in there and we will immediately send you an email that you need to verify, and then we'll immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get either of those, check your spam folder. Just means your security wall is too high for us to get through. So check your spam and then add us to your address book. That is the best way to get your discount codes into your inbox. Okay. Also in the comments below, I have done a link to our Instagram. So if you're an Instagrammer, come and join us on Instagram. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel, set up your alerts, because we have got arm candy coming in every day and you don't want to miss out on your dream arm candy.